Now we starting adjustment of camera in Blender 3D. Now should we place a camera? Shift and A. Camera. Here's our camera. Now move to Z axis, X axis, and rotate it to 90 degree minus. Okay, so the camera is a top side of view. The Y axis should your camera rotate it in 90 degree, and now the right window you should press just keyboard button O, so 0 to show your camera. In the left side, adjust your camera far of distance. Okay, so now it's good, your camera is adjusting now. The second tip is, if you want a cinematic camera type, so you should just press the keyboard button left side of shift and tap upper side key. So now your DSWA is adjusting your camera look. Okay, now it's good, now it's enough. So just click the button on the render and you check your product is ready. Now this is our camera and this is our product on rendering. So okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Jazakallah.